Yo, what's up, everybody? This is Sunny Install, Sunny OD from iDrinkBrew.com, and today I'm showing you how to make a mimosa, but with beer and watermelon juice. Ooh. So look, this is how it's gonna look at the end, right? Tell me that shit ain't pretty. And that's all you need, right? So look, you need your watermelon juice. Arizona, that's what I use. Tropicana orange juice and beer. Of course, I'm using low calorie beer because I'm trying to keep this weight snatch. That's all you need. So first, what you're gonna do is you're gonna get your glass. Pour your orange juice in. I don't know how much orange juice you like. Just pour as much as you want. Then you're gonna get your beer, low calorie if you're trying to watch your diet like myself. Pour it in. Then you're gonna backdoor it with your watermelon juice. This is pretty much all I like with the watermelon. But what I do is I come back with the beer because you never have enough beer. Anyway, again, this is all you need. Beermosa, watermelon Beermosa. Pretty good, man. Try it out. Happy Father's Day to all y'all.